This rainbow lorikeet is the funniest bird. He is busy playing with an empty paper cup. Its beautiful colors are very attractive. Angus is 1 year old and likes to make people laugh. He loves dragging the cup here and there. It is hilarious to watch the bird tumbling around here and there. Another funny parrot coming up next. This bird is super cute and also well trained. He collects trash in a bin and also puts scattered rings on a pole. His owner has trained him to perform amazing tricks. He is always rewarded with treats during the show. The bird performs unique tricks with rings and cards. Teseo is an extremely clever bird. Have you ever seen a parrot do something like this? It took months of work to train Teseo. But now, he is the life of the party wherever he goes. Have you seen a more clever bird?